Do you want skin so smooth and radiant it looks like glass? Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful natural products that can help you achieve the glass skin glow. No harsh chemicals, no expensive serums, just nature's best kept secrets. Let's dive in. But first, what exactly is glass skin? It's a K-beauty concept that describes skin that's incredibly smooth, crystal clear, and deeply hydrated, like a piece of glass. It's not just about being fair or flawless, it's about healthy skin that's well moisturized, plumped, even toned, and naturally radiant. 10 natural products for glass skin. 1. Aloe vera gel, nature's moisturizer. Aloe vera is a hydration hero. It soothes, heals, and locks in moisture, giving your skin that bouncy, supple feel. Use pure aloe vera gel daily as a lightweight moisturizer or a calming mask. 2. Rose water, hydration and balance. Rose water is perfect as a toner or facial mist. It hydrates, refreshes, and helps balance your skin's pH, a must for glass-like clarity. 3. Honey, dewy and antibacterial. Raw honey is naturally antibacterial and ultra-moisturizing. Use it as a mask 2 to 3 times a week for a natural glow and smooth texture. 4. Green tea, antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and boost skin health. Use cooled green tea as a toner or add it to DIY masks. 5. Rice water, K-beauty secret. Rice water is a centuries-old beauty secret. It brightens skin, tightens pores, and supports collagen. Simply soak rice, strain the water, and use as a toner. 6. Papaya, gentle enzyme exfoliator. Papaya contains natural enzymes that gently remove dead skin cells. Use it as a weekly mask to reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. 7. Cucumber juice, calm and cool. Cucumber hydrates, soothes, and depuffs. Apply the juice as a toner or chill slices and place them over your skin to calm inflammation. 8. Turmeric, brightening elixir. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that evens out skin tone and brightens dull areas. Mix it with honey or yogurt for a glow-boosting mask. 9. Jojoba or rosehip oil, glow in a bottle. These oils are lightweight and non-comedogenic. Jojoba mimics your skin's natural sebum, while rosehip is rich in vitamin A and fatty acids. Apply a few drops before bed. 10. Oatmeal, calm and exfoliate. Oatmeal gently exfoliates while calming sensitive skin. Use it with yogurt or milk as a soft scrub or calming mask. Natural glass skin routine. Here is how to combine these natural products into a simple daily routine for glass skin. Cleanse with raw honey or oat cleanser. Tone using rose water or rice water. Treat with green tea or aloe vera. Moisturize with aloe vera gel or jojoba oil. Exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week with papaya or oatmeal. Max 2 to 3 times a week with honey, turmeric or cucumber. Hydrate with at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eat your fruits, especially watermelon and cucumber, and get enough sleep. Bonus tips. Want faster results? Add these quick habits to your routine. Always remove makeup before bed. Double cleanse if you wear sunscreen or makeup. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week. Use cold water to rinse your face. Smile, glow starts from within. Glow naturally, glow beautifully. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare tips, and comment below which of these natural products will you try first. See you in the next video. Bye.